Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize your driving mode in Samsung S22 Ultra. To access our driving mode, first we have to go to the settings, next modes and routines here, and driving mode is here as together with all other default options. Of course, we can add our custom ones. So we have driving mode, turn on, and it's on. To customize it further, we have some options here. We can set up our media volume, add another action if you want. We can change appearance, so we can know at a glance that our phone is in driving mode, for example. It will be very helpful. We can change lock, home screen, colors, everything, and we can know at a glance that our phone is in the drive mode. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.